Hmasa in Vine, kumthar chibay.
East Coast riding. Hey guys, what's going on?
I don't.
You look like aliens. So we have the, what's open here? A hike park where like a large line of people.
Line. Dude, get in line to hit the box, bro. No,
Ole hey, classic alonia. Vur aron tlachana. Kafanu le athungte katupa te pathum abekin alian pathum te hi. Vur tolmi snowboarder ania. Vur snowboarding competition kum tin an kala mun shanga kan kalpui thina ni. Snowboarding na tur hian season pass an neya. Mun tam taka an kal thaya ni. Hey in han huang hian tun kumpo vur atatem le maya huang in competition le vur tlengte anti theilawa tin achang chuan snow resort ho hian in vur te an siama temperature dik taka siama nga ya ru asu don chuan siam chi ni ani lo bokani.
Hey, can we get like halfway down and then you take the phone and then we switch? I like that. Also just like stop and like I hand you the phone. I like that. Those make really cool videos. Okay. How about let's not do this? Also going backwards down these mountains. This is not gonna be good for me.
Kantu te ko hian in vur tleng hi chu nuam an tia ti hian tlanga anin khai chowa tlanga tangin an ron tol thina ni tlang sang pui lian pui ya an snowboarding hi an kal thina atia chuan na om ka ti thina hei anin khai chho na hi le lama hian na om hi ka hian anin khai chho zuta chuan an ron snowboarding khale thin ani ni nu pa chuan in kan lo en vel mai an competition te kan to kin kan lo pui ve thowa thiam ve chu cha kom khop mai pa deu to ti ngai na om to lo ni.
Okay, this is a halfway point, brother. I feel like I could keep on going, bro.
Hey hi ka fanu Daphne nia athiam ve zo tania hey afate nen an tleng kha vak maya hey teacher instruction te kaniang te piani ko hey seasonal instructor te adu ve a kumtin season pass an neya anin bula hian vur tlengna vur tolna resort ma ka channel te min lo clear sak zela in chunga kalom em ti karon sei du boke.